Hello class, good morning. So today let's talk about multiplying 2 to 4 digit decimals. For example number 1, in the Philippines, a 12% tax is added to the selling price of goods or services sold. How much tax will be added to 1,500 worth of groceries? For us to get the 12% of 1,500, we need to convert 12% into decimal. So 12%, when you convert it into decimal, just move the decimal point twice to the left, 1, 2. So 12% will be written as 0.12. And now we can proceed in multiplication. So just multiply 1,500 to 0.12. 2 times 0 is 2, 0, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, the answer is 3. Next is 1. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 5 is 5, then 1 times 1 is 1. Then after that, add 0, bring down 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 5 is 8, then 1. Since this is 2 decimal place, then we just need to move the decimal point twice to the left. So here, 1, 2. So the 12% tax of 1,500 worth of groceries is 180 pesos, or the tax will be added is 180 pesos, or the tax will be added to 1,500 is 180 pesos. So the example number 2 is, what is 0.16 times 0.03? Or actually, we read this as ones or tens, hundreds, or 16 hundreds. So we can rewrite this one as, so I've said that this is, or we read this as 16 hundreds, or if we write it in fraction form, it can be written as 16 over 100 times this one, tens, hundreds, or we read this as 3 hundreds, or we can write this one as 3 over 100. Then after that, just multiply the numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 16 times 3 is 48. Then 100 times 100 is 10,000. So we read this one as 48 10,000s. And if we write 48 10,000s in decimal, then it can be written as 0048. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 48 thousands. Another way of solving this problem is by converting these fractions or decimals into whole number. Okay, simply how to convert 0.16 times 0.03. Just move the decimal point twice to the right so that it will become whole number 1, 2. So this will become 16 times 1, 2, then 3. So you can observe that in 16 we move the decimal place twice to the right, and in 0.03 we move the decimal place twice to the right as well to get the whole number. So after that, just multiply 16 times 3. The answer is 48. So after getting the product of this whole number, this is the time to locate the decimal point in the product. So since we move the decimal place 4 decimal places. Why 4? 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 decimal places in 0.16 and 2 decimal places in 0.03. So in total, 4 decimal places. So 48, then move the decimal point 4 times to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So add zeros. 0.0048. Or you can just simply multiply these two decimal. 0.16 times 0.03 using the vertical method. For the third example, a pitcher contains 1.2 liter of pineapple juice. Mother fills 3 glasses with pineapple juice. If each glasses contains 0.22 liter pineapple juice, how much liters of pineapple juice was left in the pitcher? Since the pitcher contains 1.2 liters of pineapple juice, then after that, mother fills 3 glasses and each glasses contains 22.22 liters. So it means that you remove 3.22 liters from 1.2 liters. So the question is, what amount of pineapple juice left in the picture? So let's say this is the missing part. Okay, we're looking for the missing part, or the amount of pineapple juice left after filling 3 glasses of, or 3 glasses. So if we solve this one, 0.22 times 3. So this is the amount that was removed from 1.2 liters. So if we solve this one, we can get 3 times is equal to 0.66. So if the 3 glasses is 0.66 and the whole picture is 1.2, for us to get this part, just subtract 1.2 to 0.66. So 1.2 minus 0.66. 66. So just add 0 here. That's just the same, 1.2 and 1.20. So 0 minus 6 is cannot be, so we need to borrow from 2. So 10, then this will become 1. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 1 minus 6 cannot be, so just borrow 1 here. So 11 minus 6 is 5. Then the decimal point. So 0.54 liters. So the amount of pineapple juice left in the picture is 0.54 liter. Or another way of solving this one is through continuous subtraction. So 1.20 minus 0.22, then minus 0.22 again, then minus 0.22 for you to get 0.54 liter. For your activity, answer practice A and B, 1 to 5 on page 181. Write your solution and answer on a sheet of paper. Take a photo of your answers. Send it via private message. Deadline November 26.